Hey, it's Sam back here and thank you for coming to this video today. I'm really excited about this software here today. It's launching with a really low cost and there's a bunch of bonuses that I'm able to offer you down below. In this software, you have the ability to post throughout a number of different networks across the web. And you can do this with a bunch of viral images that you're able to create through this software. Now, you would have seen on Facebook, if we went to any sort of viral page, you can see I'm just doing a quick test with the software here. If we went down and had a look down our posts, we'd probably see some inspirational posts and some quotes, some images that really stand out and make us, grab our attention, like this one right here. This is what this software allows us to do. We can create viral images through the software and then post across all of these different networks. Now, the network that I'm going to focus on for this demonstration today is Facebook, but if you wanted to, you could have these images posted across the web and helping you to get exposure. And if you've got to focus on social media right now, either you're working with a social media client or you're looking to, engage your audience through Facebook updates, this is a software that will complement what you're currently doing really, really well. So enough talk, let's go to the image editor. All right, now the image editor, it is basically the core of this software. All right, it is the core of it. Now I should mention that before I went to this image editor, I actually went to my network and I connected up all my different social media networks with the software so it can communicate with the networks. All right. So you can name your image first, so let's just put inspiration. You've probably seen those inspirational quotes all across Facebook. If I was to search for inspiration on Google right now, it'd come up with a bunch of different inspirational backgrounds and inspirational images with inspirational text, which we could then use. I was using these before for ideas for what to post through the software, and you can do the same thing through a quick and easy Google image search. So let's go across to here and we'll type in the text that we want to update. Now, first of all, we should probably upload the image. So let's upload our image background. I've chosen today from Google a beach that's quite nice. I like these kinds of beaches. So I'm updating with this kind of beach. And it's going to be an inspirational text to help people on my page or my business page to be inspired. Now, if you're doing a fitness update, you probably have a fitness theme. If you were to do, say, for example, if you're working with a business and it was a project management theme, we've done this in the past, then it would probably be a project management type based, looking thing, probably a professional image of work being done. So let me go ahead and add some text to this now as well, because you can add text really easily through here. And first, we need to figure out a quote that we're going to say. So let's have a look. Okay, let's have, what's a good one? Let's have a look for a good one that we could use today. Go, push yourself because no one is going to do it for you. All right, push yourself. Push yourself because no one is going to do it for you. All right, now we'll put bold text, and we'll adjust our color of our text that we're going to post. We insert the text and there we have it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure that this fits. So it's done quite a long sentence here. One of the drawbacks of the software is the fact that this text, you have to write it on separate lines if you want to actually adjust it. So I'm just going to adjust this now and insert this text. There we are, there it's better. And we'll remove this text. Okay. Cool. Push yourself because no one is going to do it for you. There you are. We've just created a inspirational quote, and we might put the name of the quote, we might put our URL in this, or you might put, say for example, I'm just going to put sambaker.com on the bottom, okay, because that's the page that I'll be updating this to. We can insert this, and we can insert it down here maybe. Alright, so this is going to post to Facebook. People are going to be grabbed by the image, they're going to see your text, and they're hopefully going to engage with it. One of the other key sort of things you could do is you could actually pose a question to everyone. So you could say, are you ready for today? Okay, what was your, what did you do when you first woke up today? Something like that gets your audience moving. And what this is going to do, help with your engagement, help your posts to be seen, and hopefully bring more people back to your website, generate more leads, and generate more sales as a byproduct of that. Let's go ahead and save and syndicate. So once we've actually completed that, and I should mention as well, actually what I'll do is I'll quickly, I'll do this and then I'll go back and show you something really quickly. But we're going to add our title, so we're going to add this as are you ready for today? Push yourself because no one will do it for you. And then we'll add in our URL. Okay. Now what we can do is we can choose which network we want to update to. So you can choose any one of these. You could have it on Imgur, Pinterest, Flickr. My mouse just did something weird. All right, cool. So we can go to Tumblr, we can go to Flickr, we can go to Twitter, Facebook, WordPress. So let's do WordPress today because it's obviously the most popular and it's probably where I'd see the most use for this software being. Let's grab a page, my Sam Becker page, and let's choose share now. Now, if you wanted to, you could schedule it in the calendar to go out later, and you could schedule multiple posts if you wanted to out of the software. But for now, I'll just click share now. Cool. It's been shared, and let's check out my post. There we are. So as you can see, it says push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Then we've got my URL right here. It's been updated to my Facebook page. And are you ready for today? Push yourself because no one else will do it for you. There you go. So it's engaging my users on my Sam Becker page and helping them to obviously come back and hopefully engage with it, helping me to show up more in their newsfeed, generating more visitors to my website, and you can do this with your clients as well to automate everything that you've been doing and also create cool looking images. Let's go back to the image editor really quickly. You've seen the post go to Facebook now. And they've got some demonstrations on their sales page of how those other ones show up, the other images show up, so you can take a look at those there. But here, I forgot to mention, you can actually add a bunch of different images that they've custom made for you. So you can go down here and add these images if you wanted to. You can also add different image effects, so I could add some different types of filter-like things like blur and remove white and do a few editing options. And also, if I wanted to, I could actually add a bunch of backgrounds in that are pre-created for me. And I was testing these out just a moment ago. We can add in circles, we can add in squares, we can do a bit of editing. It won't let you do, obviously as much as, as Photoshop or, a software like that. You can see how bad my writing is online, but you can do a few different bits and pieces with this and adjust the opacity of what you've updated. So there is some editing you can do through this editor, but the main purpose that I'd see for it is updating backgrounds and actual quotes or text. That's probably where you're going to get the most use out of it. The training also, I should mention, is very good. I was able to get up and running with this software within about 5 minutes, so it's really easy to use, and if you're looking for a solution for creating images then updating to Facebook, this will be a really cool software that will give you the ability to do that. So thank you for listening. Go down below, check out the low one-time price that they have for this software, and look forward to hearing of your success. This is Sam Becker. Thank you for listening to this video today. Hopefully it was informational and helped you to understand what the software does. I'll see you later.